How to share a draft on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can share a draft on TikTok. If you also want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you have to open up the TikTok application on your device and then get logged into your account. Now once you're in the For You page of the TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you do that, you will be taken to your profile page. Now from there, you will be able to see draft on the post section. Now tap on that drafts and there you will be able to see all the photos and videos which you have saved as draft. Now tap on a draft that you want to share and then you will be directly taken to the editing page of TikTok. Now there is no sharing option, so what you can do is to tap on next button at the bottom right of your screen and then you have to tap on who can watch this video option and then a menu will appear on your screen. Now you have to select only you option and then tap on post button at the bottom right of your screen. Now your video has been uploaded private. Now again tap on the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now head over to the private section by tapping on private and there you will be able to see the video that you want to share. Now tap on that video and once you're in this page, you have to tap on the three dots menu at the right side of your screen. And from that menu, you have to tap on save video option. Once the post gets saved, head over to the gallery of your device. Once you found that post on your gallery, tap and open that post and there tap on send icon at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now you can choose any social platform to share this video on. Now that was the quick and easy video on how to share a draft on TikTok. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.